Okay, we got our head here. We got the mouth shaved out, so it just needs to be sanded down some. So that's going to go in here. We've cut our pieces for our neck, which will go in here. So we need to glue these together. So we'll glue these together, clamp it, let it dry, and then we can glue the block right into there. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we'll clamp this. I'll let it set all day, and then tomorrow I will sand it down, and then we'll glue it into the neck where it goes. So we'll set that aside and let it dry, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.